Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Wayne from Southern First Bank here in Buckhead. Wanted to take a couple of moments and go into a little bit more detail about Southern First Bank's no down payment, no PMI program. You heard that right, no down payment and also no PMI. Okay. Eligible counties are going to be Cobb County, DeKalb County, and also Fulton County. Okay, so we created a map, a website for you to see if a property is eligible for no down payment and also no PMI. So it's as simple as finding an address on a property that you're interested in. For example, we'll take this one, 2592 Captain's Row in Decatur. Okay, we'll take that address and we will put it into this link that I will share with you as well. And you can see whether or not it's eligible for no down payment. Okay, so the address here, 2592 Captain's Row. So we're literally just going to come over here and type that in, 2592, sorry, Captain's Row. Boom, it's in the blue. I'm going to zoom out just so you can see. It's in the blue. Everything in the blue here is eligible for no down payment and no PMI. It does not matter what your income is. You do need a 660 credit score, but there are no income restrictions. So any of these properties in blue can be bought with no down payment and no PMI. I'm going to share this link with real estate agents. I'm going to share it with prospective home buyers as well. Agents, please, please, please share this information with your database because, again, it's a great program. No down payment, no PMI, everything you see in blue. All you need is an address. You put it in right here. You're going to be able to see if it's eligible for no down payment. If you have any questions, you can reach me at Anderson, WANDERSON at southernfirst.com if you have any questions about the program. But as far as the eligibility, based on where the home is located, you use this map to determine that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again.